that boozing father ain't no believer, so the weed was the stress reliever.
Terrible. It's going to be a very oh well, it's because I just woke up. But today's gonna be a very slow day, because all I'm really doing is I'm gonna go shower and then I'm gonna clean the house because my housemates are gonna be gone, so time to deep clean. Not really. I'm gonna deep clean the kitchen and then mop the floor. But yeah, that's basically all I'm gonna do today. It's a lot of cleaning, sitting down because my foot's fractured. It's not even a cool story how I fractured my foot. I was walking to a car and my foot went whah, and I thought it was sprained and then walked on it for 5 hours and it was not sprained, it was fractured. 21 years of never having broken a bone.
When's this cold snap gonna end? Yeah, I've had good nights, no need to start a fight. It took a lot just to bring us close. I miss your smile. Can you tell me where it's been? And I've been down too. Why your friends so hard to keep? But it's been a little while now, but it comes flooding when we're sitting on the floor, hearing songs he used to sing. And I miss you every day. I miss how it used to be, but I'm surrounded by my friends, and love is coming back to me.
This is my breakfast. I made banana bread like last weekend and we still have some left because this is like, and for reference, it's an absolutely massive tin, but we don't really have anything else to bake stuff in, and we had a ton of bananas, so it kind of worked out because I did use all of the bananas before they went bad. But this is breakfast. I'm gonna cut some out and warm it up in the microwave because we don't have a toaster.
Did we kiss cause it was dark? Or did we mean it was my embarrassment enough to make you see it? Your lips have made it tough. They keep believing you a temporary talk to last just for a season. Hanging up the lights with the intensity and strife of your avoidance, like a knife in my cotton candy side. I'm hoping for a fight in this imaginary vibe that I have caught and totemized to replace you when you hide. So did we kiss cause it was dark? Or did we mean it was my embarrassment enough to make you see it? Your hands have made it tough to keep believing you a temporary talk to last just for a season.
I'm watching The Summer I Turned Pretty while I clean and everything because I keep seeing it on TikTok and I was like, you know what, I'll watch it because why not? I like my fun teen dramas. But yeah, I'm watching it and I have to say, soundtrack is really good. Usually the soundtrack in these like teen like shows or whatever, they pick like just the most random songs, but they've picked songs that like I like and I know, which I don't. Is that dating me? Am I old? It's actually pretty fun. The dialogue's not too cringy because I was worried about that. A+ soundtrack. And so far, the outfits are cute. Sometimes, like in these types of shows, they're always like very hit or miss. And so far, they've been good. I'm a little worried for like the fancier, like more put together sort of scenes, because that's usually where they go. But so far, it's good. I like it. Do I like what, like Conrad, who's supposed to be like the main girl's interest? love interest. No, I think he's a dick. Jeremiah though, Jerry, my boy Jerry, I love him. I love Jerry and Steven. Their dynamic is very friends. Like, this is the thing. I, like, believe that these people are friends and that they've known each other for that long. Which is good, because sometimes it doesn't come across. I didn't think this show was gonna make me, like, emotional. Big spoilers. But, like, I called it that Conrad knew that his mom had cancer again and was dying and, like, wasn't gonna take any more treatment. And now he's just admitted it while having a panic attack to his new father figure, because I'm pretty sure he also knows that his dad had an affair with his secretary while his mom was going through chemo the first time. Anyway, I almost started crying. Very emotional. Again, I stand by this, but whoever picked the soundtrack knew who the audience for this show was. They picked all of the good songs. Like, they gotta have someone who's either on TikTok all the time or a Gen Z, or like someone who's young, or else they've done their research. I'm also happy that the main girl is going for the second lead. Jeremiah is better than Conrad. Like, I know why Conrad is acting the way he is, because his mom's dying of cancer and he probably knows that his dad had an affair. And, like, I get it why he's being moody, because he's the older brother and has to, like, take on everything. But he doesn't have his shit figured out or, like, a way to cope with all of this. So, like, you need to figure yourself out. Listen to the guy on the boat. You need to have your own stuff figured out. And, like, coping mechanisms in place and ways to deal with your stuff before you start seeing other people. Take it from someone who's been in therapy for 3 years now, and who was with someone who didn't have their stuff figured out. She ended up with Conrad. I'm so mad about it. Bro, she had better chemistry with Jeremy. I'm mad. I was really hoping that this would, like, flip the convention on its head and, like, have her go for, like, the second lead or whatever, instead of going for, like, the guy she's liked all her life. Because there was, like, they kept bringing up these conversations of, like, part of you will always love, like, the first person you love, or love this, like, one person, but that shouldn't stop you from liking other people. And I was really hoping that she'd have that realization, and it seemed like she did. And then they just took all of that away. It could have been so good. This was lining up to be one of, like, a go-to comfort show when I need something cheesy and romantic, and now it's not, because I'm angry. Because they took away all of that character growth. They took away all of that growth. For her to end up with Conrad, Jeremiah is so much better. Justice for Jeremiah.
Stepping back to look again, it's not the same as it was before. Breaking bread with your enemies is fine with me. Feeling from
It's like 7-ish, 7:07, and I ordered food for dinner. I we don't have that much in the fridge right now. We gotta go grocery shopping. I also just don't feel like cooking. I ordered dinner instead, like the responsible adult that I am. Fried shrimp and pad thai because yeah. Let's get to eating, and like the iPad child that I am, I'm reading Luke Stevens, who's he does a lot of like video game critique commentary videos. So I watch him a lot because his videos are usually a decent amount of time, and I'm watching one about Death Stranding. Do I know like half of the games he talks? No. I'm interested to see if he's gonna do a critique on Stray, which is this like game that came out recently about being a cat that everyone's like really into, and I watch Jacksepticeye play it, and I want to play it, but I don't think my computer, because all I have is my little laptop, I don't think my computer could handle it, so I will simply suffer until I can actually play the game.
I don't know where I'll be tomorrow, and I don't care. No, I don't care. The sun may rise on that morning, maybe blue sky, maybe gray sky. Some things we aren't able to change them. Another storm will come to pass till the next turn on the grass.
Morning, it's Saturday. Slightly more exciting day. I get to go to the grocery store because I have friends coming over for dinner tonight, and I'm making a version of kimchi jjigae, which is like a kimchi soup. I'm not gonna do anything. Probably gonna stay in bed for a little while longer before I like actually get out and go eat food, because my bed is very comfortable.
Feeling like I'm losing my mind. Feeling like I'm losing my mind. Feeling like I'm losing my
Until they found her in the car down in Nevada. Her father's yelling, Nutina. Why didn't you answer your phone? Now hit your beeper. Now baby girl, please come home. I need to see you. I know that I did you wrong. Your pops was a Rolling Stone, but I can't go on alone.
flooding in when we're sitting on the floor, hearing songs he used to sing. And I miss you every day. I miss how it used to be, but I'm surrounded by my friends, huddled close, yeah, close to me. Oh, it's been a little while now, but it comes flooding in when we're sitting on the floor, hearing songs he used to sing. And I miss you every day. I miss how it used to be, but I'm surrounded by my friends, and love is coming back to me.
Hi, so it's like midnight, but I don't know if you can hear my neighbors partying like right next door, so it's gonna be fun to try and fall asleep too. Life update. You saw me cooking. My friends came over and I made mojitos and I made kimchi jjigae, and like I attempted these like soy sauce glazed potatoes, but they didn't really work out because I was too impatient to let them fry properly. But they still turned out good. They still tasted good. I hit to New York because I have jury duty on Monday, which that's gonna be fun. Yeah, tonight was fun. My friend brought her boyfriend over, so we've all bonded. It was nice to finally like meet him and like, you know, make friends with him. Hi, editing was popping in here because I didn't record a goodbye to that video because I thought this video was originally going to be longer and be an entire week, and then I had so much footage that I was like, I'm gonna just split it up between days. So thank you for watching. I know it's been like a year since I posted a video, but hopefully I'll be posting more frequently, and I hope you enjoyed this. So like, subscribe, comment, let me know if you want a video essay on my thoughts and opinions and what I thought could have been done better for the summer I turned pretty. And love you all, and see you all in the next video. Bye!